Hi Green Spellers, this week for your spelling words you are focusing on the R sound. You're organizing the words by if you hear the R sound in the middle of the word or if you hear the R sound at the end of the word. And you do have an oddball category. Okay, so let's look at the word party. I hear R in the middle of the word. I also hear a long E vowel sound at the end. Party. So sometimes Y by itself can be a long E vowel sound. Okay, let's look at the word start. I start my car in the winter so that it can warm up. Start. I hear the R sound in the middle of the word. This T, that consonant, shuts off that R sound. Park. If you go to the park at school during our distance learning period, park, it's in the middle of the word. The word dark is gets very dark outside, especially in the winter time. It gets dark early in the winter time. Dark. Yard. Maybe you play baseball in your yard. You hear the R sound in the middle of the word, and the consonant D shuts off that R sound. Farm. You grow corn on a farm. R, you hear it in the middle of the word. The consonant M shuts off that R sound. Spark. On the 4th of July, you might use sparklers and they will spark. The K shuts off that R sound, the consonant K. Part. So part of your assignments for the week is to do your spelling and practice your spelling words. Another one in this category is hard. Some of your work might be hard, but you should always have a growth mindset to overcome those challenges. Hard. R is in the middle of the word. Okay, let's look at the R sound at the end of the word. The word star. Hear that R sound at the end of the word, and you don't hear a consonant that's shutting off that R sound. So if you look at the word start, it's the same word. If I take this T off, it would be star. But because I have a consonant, T, it shuts off, it makes a T sound and shuts off the R sound. But star just keeps going. It continues the R sound. Car. Park your car in the parking lot. The R sound just keeps going. It doesn't have a consonant that shuts off that R sound. Now the oddball header is the R sound you hear at the beginning of the word. So if I look at your words this week, I hear an R sound in the word arm. I want you to write each spelling word 3 times in your notebook, and then make sure you practice your spelling words because next Thursday you will have a spelling check-in again. I want you to upload your check-in on Seesaw next Thursday. So make sure you're practicing your spelling words this week.